Hey, Arlington Heights, Adam Harris here, your head of communications and storytelling. I'm out and about yet again, but this time virtually. I'm with Vince. Vince, what's up, buddy? How are you?
Hey, good. How are you?
I'm great. Thanks for asking. Vince goes to South Middle School here in District 25, but in the past month or so, Vince has been doing something incredible for the community and the healthcare workers that serve us all right now. Vince, you've been making masks, right? Can you show us a mask?
Yeah, here. This is one of the masks. We 3D print this part, and then this you add along with it, and it turns into a little mask that you could wear.
I love that. Okay, so you've been making this, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's such a great effort, buddy. And I know that the library has, when they heard that you were doing this, they donated another 3D printer for you to use. So now you have two 3D printers in your house, right?
Yeah, so it's like double the speed.
Double the speed. Okay. Show us what's going on in your kitchen. And I know
Okay.
that you're a designer, you like 3D printing, you like creating. And I also know that you had a template, and the first time you did it, it took a long time, right? And you've improved it.
Yeah, so at first it took 3 hours, but then we tweaked it so that it would only take 1 hour. So that helped a lot.
What did you do to tweak it?
So when we were designing it, we went into the settings and tweak the settings so that like the infill of the filament there would be no infill, so it wouldn't take any extra time.
Okay, that's so cool. All right, take us through your kitchen a little bit. Give us a quick tour here of what's going on. Look at this setup, everybody. It looks so cool. Go ahead.
Okay, so these are all the 3D printed parts from these 3D printers over here, and they're printing right now. This one just finished. um so we take the finished product from the 3D printer. Um, then we tie together two rubber bands and put one side of the rubber band on this and the other on here so that you could wear it. And then there's these little file sheets that we hole punch, and this one's hole punched. So we add the punched part into these things right here,
Can you
and
angle it down a little bit? Can you angle it down? There we go. Perfect.
it
Oh, so you hole punch it
max.
and it fits in and it
Yeah,
and it attaches to that part of the mask,
yeah,
and then it rubber bands around.
yeah.
Okay, why are you guys doing this? Where's the inspiration for this? I mean, look, it's the nicest thing ever, but I'm wondering. I mean, how many have you made, and how far has it reached, and what's the story behind this?
So one morning, my mom's friend and our neighbor, texted to like everyone she knows a Facebook link on this and how to make it.
Mm-hmm.
And she works at a hospital, so she was wondering if anyone could do it. And when I saw it, we saw it, we immediately were like, oh yeah, we could do that because we have 3D printer. So we got on it right away.
How are you feeling? How does this make you feel?
Great. That knowing that we're like helping out during this pandemic is great.
Yeah, I think that's awesome, man. Okay, well, I see great things for your future too. But honestly, Vince, you're doing great things right now, and I think you should be totally proud of yourself.
Thank you.
Yeah. So we totally want to thank the library as well for supporting your cause.
Yeah.
You guys are leading the charge in this cause, and masks. Like, masks are essential right now. Like, that's so cool. That's so cool. Okay, well, congratulations, buddy. Keep doing it. I love that you're like learning also about 3D printing and design and how it can be used to help impact the community in such a great way. And on behalf of Arlington Heights, thank you, buddy.
Thank you for interviewing me.
Oh, of course. All right, man. See ya.
See ya.